how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. So basically, if you would like to buy Bitcoin on Cash App, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to open up your Cash App and log into your account and come to the home icon from the bottom left of the screen. Once you come over there, you'll find one of these options where it says Bitcoin. So you want to go to the Bitcoin or the borrow option, whatever else it is. Here you can see the Bitcoin. So once you go to Bitcoin right there, on the next page you can say buy Bitcoin for as little as $1. So you can just hit the buy Bitcoin button that you'll be able to find there. And once done, once you've bought a certain amount of Bitcoin, you'll be able to start buying Bitcoin by entering your payment information. And this way you'll be able to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. I hope that this video pretty much helped you, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.